Raise your hand if you can tell me all the things that would be wrong about this as a self-tape. Okay, number 1, this is not a great backdrop. Number 2, I pretty much think that my camera is smudgy and I need to wipe it off. Number 3, yeah, it's supposed to be you on a good day, not you straight after the shower. Number 3, all right, let's look at all the distractions currently in my room. I'm not even kidding you. This is what my office looks like right now. Behind the scenes, okay? We have to straighten some stuff up. What do you guys think about the lighting? Not ideal, right? Look at all these, things on me, these shadows. Can you hear me very well? Nope, don't have my mic plugged in. And if I were to start like this and sort of zoom in right here, that's a little too close. Sometimes I forget and I actually give myself too much space because I have a tendency to wear like a mom bun, and my culture say, Donnie, you're framing for your bun again. Or, do you see how here you can't see my clothes? And I mean, maybe I'm naked underneath, but I'm not. See, I'm there. So you gotta set up. Okay, so we're gonna come back. We're gonna come back. And also, yeah, handheld, not good. What about that? All right, so next I'm going to come back and show you how to fix all of those things. And this is going to go in my course, my training for you on how to be more confident on camera. Yeah, once I can get it to stop wobbling. I'll be right back. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notifications bell because so much of this training is going to be dropped here for free right here on YouTube. See you soon.